Hello, my name is Keith Larson. I'm here at the Invensys user group meeting for users of the company SimSci-Esscor products and IntelaTrac products here in Houston. It's October 15th, 2012. I'm here with Harpreet Gulati, who is Director of their simulation and optimization business here for Invensys Operations Management, and also Matthew Webster, who is CEO of Spiral Software, and you'll find out why he's here in just a minute. You guys certainly made the splash of the day, certainly, in announcing that Invensys had acquired Spiral Software here. Congratulations on the acquisition. Thanks for joining me. For those of our audience who aren't real familiar with Spiral, perhaps Matthew, maybe you can tell our viewers at home a little bit about the company and what you guys do in the knowledge management business for crude oil.
Sure, I'd be happy to. Spiral was set up in 1998. It was a bunch of us at University of Cambridge came together. We were looking at data modeling opportunities. And really, from our point of view, when we were looking at the possibilities in the oil sector, we were amazed by what opportunities there were to help oil companies look at characterizing the feedstocks that they use, understanding how they run through a refinery, understanding where the value comes from, where the operating risks are, and really that's where it started. Since then, it's grown to, we're about 60 people. We're still based in Cambridge. We cover everything from crude oil assay management, crude oil knowledge management, through to trading tools, and now moving into supply chain. We're about 300 sites using our tools, about 90 customers, so it's a very broad customer base, and we're excited about joining the Invensys family. We think we can achieve an awful lot together.
That's great. Harpreet, obviously Invensys has a range of tools already in the optimization modeling arena for refiners. What were maybe some of the gaps that in your portfolio that you saw opportunities with Spiral? Maybe you can tell us a little bit about what they bring to the party in terms of the Invensys portfolio.
Absolutely. Keith, we're very excited about having Spiral as part of the SimSci-Esscor Invensys family. As you know, SimSci-Esscor has had our heritage in refining. That's where we started. And when we saw the Spiral tools and the crude assay management, that's a natural fit. That is the place where it's the foundation of all the information that we use in simulation and modeling and optimization tools. So basically the Spiral crude assay tools would work very well with our process design tools, Pro2, as well as optimization tool, to provide the feed information that is required, the accuracy of the feed, to improve the design, the quality of design, as well as overall optimization. In addition, the planning tools would be integrated with our optimization tool as well, and they would work very well. Planning has been a gap for us, so that is a gap that really Spiral fills very well as scheduling and supply chain distribution as we go down the value chain. The scheduling piece would also work very well with our off-sites area, with the tank movement, the oil movement packages, where the scheduling will provide the movements which will be implemented by the off-sites package.
Yeah, and Invensys obviously is all about integration and getting information flows to work seamlessly together in real time. What's the ultimate, end game delivery for refinery users? Obviously, you have mutual customers, and the integration of these tools together. Obviously, the plan is sum is bigger than the sum of the parts, right?
Absolutely.
What's the ultimate deliverable then for refinery customers?
Well, I think it's a whole series of deliverables. I mean, from initially, there are the obvious integration solutions like bringing assay data into Pro2 and Romeo, where we have very detailed assay information, including pure components, very detailed sort of molecular level information about crude oils and feedstocks. Being able to put that through simulation and other operational activities, I think, is going to be very valuable. Really, from our point of view, the reason we went down the line of developing the supply chain tools is looking at the gaps in the process. Every time you have inconsistent information, every time you have different models, a change in the way you're doing the optimization or the modeling, there's a value gap. The business is losing information. Everything is about providing cohesive, most up-to-date information for every user across the whole enterprise. And that's really where we're heading. It's to bring everything together so that the traders are making the decisions on the most up-to-date information. The operational information is being used to update the process models that everyone is using. The market data is being fed in at every point. It's really trying to bring as much real-time information in as we can and let people make the best possible decisions. So
absolutely. I think what also has been the vision that we want to have a complete end-to-end value chain integration, both horizontal as well as vertical. So if you really think about it, with Spiral tools and Invensys, all the offering we have within Invensys, we can really go from conceptual design to feedstock acquisition, blending of oil movements, refinery operations, all the way back to the supply chain distribution. And the same way you can go vertically and look at it from field instruments, control safety, then from optimization, advanced control optimization, planning, as well as scheduling. So really, we're getting an end-to-end value chain integration that really makes us Invensys with the Spiral family a unique player in the market that can provide this.
Yeah. Okay, great. Well, best of luck. I'm sure we'll be hearing a lot more as your plans for the integration move forward. And really appreciate you spending the time with me.
Sure, thank you.
Thanks
Good luck,
for your time.
and Matthew. Keith Larson with Control Magazine, signing off, and hope to see you soon. Bye now.